Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is double pendulum, the equation of motion of the double pendulum. At any time t, let the masses m1, m2 be at p1, x1, y1 and p2, x2, y2. We have x1 equal to L1 sin theta 1, y1 equal to L1 cos theta 1. So x2 is equal to L1 sin theta 1, L2 sin theta 2, and y2 is equal to L1 cos theta 2, theta 1, L2 cos theta 2. And this is the equation 1. And total kinetic energy is given by. So friends, I have to find out total kinetic energy. Now let's go to the diagram. Friends, in here you see that x1 L1 sin theta 1, y, because please check my diagram. This is the O. This is the L1. Okay, and this is the M1 mass. Okay, this position is x1, y1, and its position is x2, y2. This is P2, and this is P1 position. This is the mass is M2, and this is the y direction, and this angle is theta 1. This angle is theta 1, and this is theta 2. Now friends, this is the L2, this is the M1, and this is P1. Now friends, my question is that how can I get x1 equal to L1 sin theta 1 and y1 equal to L1 cos theta 1? I use trigonometric concept, friends. P1 is equal to L1 sin theta 1, x1 is equal to L1 sin theta 1, because this way, because theta 1 means L1 cos theta 1 and this is the y1. Okay, this is the y1. Y1. So this is my height, this is my positions. Similarly, x2 is the L1 sin theta 1 plus L2 sin theta 2, because this is the L1 sin theta 1, this portion, L2 sin theta 2 is this portion, so this is added. Okay, x2, and for y2 L1 cos theta 1, L1 cos theta 1, L1 sin theta 1, means I use in here component of the vector. If you know, I hope that you know the component of the vector positions, just using very simple, friends. And furthermore question, please ask in my comment section. I will help at all time, no issues. And now we know kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So v square means v1 square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square and x2 square plus y2 square, and I just get this value thus putting the just derivative x1 dot x1 means dx by dt and dy1 divided by dt, and I get these results. Please calculate it in your copy. I hope that you get same results. If you don't get same results, if you think any error, please comment me. Okay, it is correct. I think it is correct, because I do not think to show calculation is very large. Okay, I just give idea that whatever you can get result, you get result this way, because x1 is equal to whatever is we know x1 is equal to L1 sin theta 1. So x1 dot is equal to L1 cos theta 1 theta 1 dot. Similarly, y1 is equal to y is equal to L1 cos sin theta 1 theta 1 dot minus. So x1 dot whole square and y1 dot whole square is equal to L1 square into sin square theta 1 theta 1 dot square and cos square theta 1 dot square. So we get L1 square theta 1 dot square. So it is very easy. Total potential energy is given by mg L1 1 minus cos theta 1, because 1 minus cos theta 1 this way, because this is the height. Potential energy is equal to mg H. So this is the height, and similarly this is the height of the second ball, and hence Lagrangian is given by L equals to T minus V. So I just put in all the values LT minus V, and this is my equation number 2. And the Lagrange's equation corresponding to theta 1, we get del L divided by del theta 1 and dt of del theta 1 dot equals to 0, gives this value and gives this value. I get this value. Okay, this is the simple when I derivative with respect to theta 1. Okay, L value, this is my L value, and I just derivative. Okay, please write the L value, because this I also use Lagrange's equation with respect to corresponding to theta 2, then I just derivative with respect to L. Okay, L theta 1 square, sorry, it is theta 2 square. Okay, it is not m2 L2 square theta dot whole square, theta 2 dot whole square, it is not theta. Okay, it is theta 1 theta 2, and Lagrange's equation corresponding to theta 2, I get this value del L, this value I get this is also theta 2, same lighting. This is the mistake, means typing mistake, and this is the also same theta 2 theta 2 theta 1, in here it is theta 1 L1 theta 1 dotted whole square. So friends, I hope I can clear this calculation. Please check, this is my equation 4, and this is my total, and theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot being small and retaining first order terms only. So from 3 and 4 we have equation of double pendulum, we get this value. And thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this concept.